The second edition of the Max Bupa Walk for Health was held across India's two major metropolitan cities of Delhi and Mumbai, and it got off to a great start.
Are you all ready? Let's walk for health!
The Indian capital Delhi had the crowds all charged up for the walk at the Dhyan Chand National Stadium.
More than 10,000 in just Delhi alone. It's been a crazy morning here. We've had people walking in for the registrations and literally people from all walks of lives.
While experts from Fitness First warmed up the crowds with the Zumba. Over 1,000 children that joined the walk in Delhi were entertained by Nicktoon favorites Dora the Explorer and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Pose for the camera. Come on, guys. Let's pose like the ninjas. Let's pose like the ninjas. And that's the spirit. That's the spirit.
Lots of fitness activities, lots of entertainment planned for the morning, and the star attraction here, Sania Mirza.
It's great to see so many people on Sunday at 6:30 in the morning, at 7 in the morning. Thank you very much. This is about bringing walking into your lives on a routine basis every day, not just once a year. It's a walkathon, and should be the beginning of a great walking routine and walking in our lives.
Tennis ace Sania Mirza and Bollywood actor Manish Paul flagged off the walk in Delhi.
As you can see, we are off.
As a country, we need to understand how important health is. We need to understand how important walking is for our health. And I think it's the most basic thing a human can do is basically walk. And it doesn't have to be for a couple of hours. It has to be for 20 minutes a day, for half an hour a day. And you actually don't notice it as much when you're 25 or 35 or 40. You'll notice it when you're about 60 or 70, how much it helped you when you walked when you were 35.
Enjoyed being here, obviously being in Delhi and walking with the Delhiites. I think I love the energy everybody has here.
A number of celebrities too joined the walk to create an awareness that walking is good for our health.
I believe if you dream to have good health, and I believe if you want to treasure out the gold of health that you have within your body, the best way is to walk and walk. Sweat out, walk, and you'll get all the benefits that Mother Nature can give you.
Walking is really healthy. It's a very easiest way to keep fit, and also it's de-stressing. We do it on a regular basis, so I think it's fun to be joining all the young people and walking.
Today is a great day. I think walking is a very good sport, de-stressing as Ranjana said, and I think everybody should do it every day religiously. This will keep them fit and also away from all kind of diseases.
I just love the pump here. I love the music and love the exuberance on every face, and I wish everybody would make it absolutely a must do every day, to walk, to be with you, to be with the road, and I love it.
Organizing this in Delhi and Bombay, it's really nice because you're giving people actually an opportunity to actually walk.
And this is a preventive measure, and hence I think more and more people need to understand that if you take care of your health in small measures like this, like a walk or something, then you possibly avoid a bigger catastrophe later.
Instead of taking the elevator, you take the staircase. These are little things which make a lot of difference.
It is very tiring, my legs are paining, but no problem, I am walking.
I have a very special guest here, 75 years young, he's an athlete, and he signed up for the 2-kilometer walk but ended up walking 5 kilometers.
Regularly walk karo, you will enjoy the walk. It is good for health. Two legs, are two best doctors with you always.
It's much better to walk in open air.
Getting up early in the morning and starting the day with a walk, it helps me a lot.
And is this the way you'll be walking all the entire 5 kilometers?
Only when we're tired.
You're already tired.
Or we're in front of the camera.
You're not even crossed half the distance and you're already tired. Oh, this is how you conserve the energy, is it? And how long would you take to conserve your energy and go on in full swing?
Right now.
Right now.
If you want to stay healthy, want to lead a good life, you should do walk. That's no side effect.
By walking, you can gain your stamina and you can do well in your in the sports.
People streaming into the finish line. We've seen people from all walks of life, all age groups. I have a bunch of youngsters here with me. You walked for 5 kilometers or 2 kilometers?
Yeah, 5.
5. You completed the entire 5 kilometers?
Yeah. Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes, very much. We were very glad to walk for health.
The financial hub of India, Mumbai too saw thousands join the walk at the Bandra Amphitheatre, with a host of celebrities cheering on the crowds.
आप हफ्ते में कितनी बार वॉक करते हैं?
ये आपने बड़े अच्छे हफ्ते में पूछा. इस हफ्ते मैंने 5 बार की है.
And the participants warmed up for the walk in a boot camp organized by fitness experts from Watson Fitness.
Good, let's move into knee rotation. Hands on your knees and move. Move. Excellent.
And Sonam Kapoor was there leading the way for a good cause. While Sonam Kapoor's character in the blockbuster Bhaag Milkha Bhaag inspired Milkha Singh to run for his country, Sonam inspired thousands of Mumbaikars to walk for good health.
The flag off has happened and the people have started walking.
Well, I'm really very excited about the turnout. It's brilliant. And anything to encourage good health, and because honestly I really believe health as well. And I think with such sedentary lifestyles that we lead these days, walking and just moving is something that we take something for granted. And I think just to inspire people to walk, which is like basic, is brilliant. So I'm quite excited about this walkathon.
Many like-minded health brands too partnered with us for the walk. And the participants just couldn't get enough of this early morning workout.
It's a lovely view of the sea and also of all the walkers as they walk past. This is in fact the latter half of that entire gamut of people who have embarked on the 5-kilometer walk.
I'm 76 years today, but I'm enjoying without medicine.
Fitness is a must, so I believe that one should take care about the health. Money is after that.
Yeah, we've got a phenomenal response to the walkathon. I've got some more participants over here. You've walked almost half the way, and do you encourage people to take up walking as an exercise?
Yes, of course.
Do you feel that everyone should have walking as part of their lifestyle?
Yeah.
I'm coming from Goa. Especially came for this event.
Secret of your fitness?
I walk at least 7 kilometers every day.
It's the best form of exercise, and it's very easy. You don't need to
you can do it at your time.
Do anything else, we just have to walk and simply walk.
I regularly walk, and today especially was a great experience. It was very energetic crowd. You see young people, senior citizen, kids, all were very thrilled.
We walk regularly, we do exercise regularly because it's part of our routine. We are from Indian Navy.
Oh, you're from the Indian Navy, so it's part of your routine. Wonderful.
While most came to walk for their health, some also came to walk for a cause.
And I would like to thank Max Bupa for giving us this great platform, because one of the main ways to avoid breast cancer is brisk walking. So people get on, wear your shoes and start walking.
Our campaign's name is Ab Main Ek Bachao, and it is an anti-teasing campaign started by the BMM department of Lala Lajpat Rai College. We are here to create awareness amongst the people so that they know we have to stop this.
We are representing CRY Child Rights in You. We are spreading child right awareness. We're spreading that malnutrition should be completely wiped out from this country.
And when you talk about Mumbai, the stars can't be far behind.
Walking is one of the most basic exercise that we can do, and it is something that is you can find time for it very easily. So and the fact that the entire community is here, people are walking together, making friends, listening to good music, and most importantly they're here for their health.
Let's walk, let's walk, let's rock it, let's walk, walk, walk.
I think fitness should be the basic premise of every human being. This walk should not be restricted for just today as an event, but you should follow this practice every day in the morning, throughout the year, throughout the time, till the time you're fit and you are enjoying your life.
well, marathons are not there for everyone. I mean, it's very tough. Walking is at least, a little easier and a little better. And, you don't realize where your time goes. And I think everyone should initiate and, participate in something like walkathon.
You can almost walk up the steps, to your home. We all stay in buildings in Mumbai. You can always walk while talking on your mobile and not sit in a sedentary position. It's not about walking on the streets. It could be just about walking. It's healthy. It keeps you fit. It keeps you in shape. And given today's stress and lifestyle diseases, etc., it's imperative to be fit.
I feel it's very important that you are fit and you kind of feel good. The whole feel good factor comes with fitness, and whether it is swimming or gymming or walking, and walking is the easiest because you can just get up where your kids and just start walking.
I'm totally a walking person and I believe in, going out and enjoying the nature, and I make sure that every day I take some time out to walk and jog. Yeah.
Child can do it, and a really old person can do it, and a young person can do it. It can also clear your head, that's your time to yourself. I think it's quite cool. Keep walking and keep taking care of yourself and be healthy and be happy.
I hope you're a part of this next year and the coming year.
Yes, I hope so too.
Thank you.
I think it's a great thing to do, and probably bring people out of their inaction.
Right.
And it's a healthy thing to be with people. It's nice to walk together.
I really think that public at large needs to realize that health is wealth, and we in this stressful city of ours, the best way out is to de-stress with this 1 hour walking and believing that health is wealth. So congratulations to all of you.
With the huge numbers that joined the walk and the happy faces at the end of the day, the message was clear that walking indeed was the new fitness mantra.
This is so very enjoyable, rather seeing everybody here. This was wonderful.
And what about you? Did you enjoy your 2 kilometers?
Yeah, I enjoyed very much. It was very nice, and I think you should, do it more, continue this, and let the people have the awareness that walk is for health.
Thank you very, very much to all our sponsors and to all our viewers. Thanks for tuning in. To all our walkers, thanks for walking the Max Bupa Walk for Health.
So that concludes a morning of fun, fitness and health. We hope this encourages people to take up walking as a daily part of life. The theme is very simple. Walking is the simplest form of exercise, and we hope that all of us, young and old, can take it up. We promise the Max Bupa Walk for Health in association with Times Now will be back, bigger and even better next year.